The unmanned aerial vehicles market is no longer being defined by just one type of drone or one type of competitor. In the global UAV landscape, DJI remains the dominant player with 12% share, followed by Baker with 6% and General Atomics at 5%. Northrop Grumman and Lockheed Martin represent the next tier of competitive strength with 3% each. Collectively, the top 5 players account for approximately 29% of the global market, showing a moderately concentrated but increasingly competitive global landscape. The strategic takeaway is clear. UAV competition is shifting beyond airframes toward autonomy, AI-enabled ISR, secure supply chains, and mission-specific platforms. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360iResearch platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360iResearch and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.